Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp to another phone. So I'm provide full guide. So simply at first open WhatsApp. This method will work any Android and iOS device. Okay, alright. I'm just transfer this WhatsApp to this phone. Press on three dot, settings, click on this option, then showing it to QR code. Agree and continue. Use different number. Press on three dot, choose the first option. Okay, and get this option. Click on to scan code. Just scan this QR code. Click on to continue. And second time, it's need to scan 2 times. Okay, now successfully transfer.